In this review, I will dive deep into SugarCRM review, exploring its pros, cons, and pricing to help you decide if it is the right CRM solution for your business. So let's get started with this. What is SugarCRM? SugarCRM is a CRM software that helps business to do business better. Think of it as a super organized digital address book, but way more powerful. It keeps track of all your customers' information in one place. This includes names, contact details, and post conversation and deals. Sugar CRM comes in different versions. Sugar Enterprise is their most popular plan. And here is the top key benefit about this platform, which is the easy to use interface with the flexible and customizable features with an affordable solution and improve customer relationship with increased productivity. Now, talking about the best features of the Sugar CRM, it comes with a sale automation, with a lead management and opportunity management, with a sale forecast, with an integration. And here's the pros and cons about this platform. So it's important to weigh the good and the bad before making a decision. So let's dive deeper into the strength and the weakness of the Sugar CRM. So talking about the strength of the Sugar CRM, it has a user-friendly interface with an extensive customization with a powerful automation capabilities and strong customer support with open source platform. So talking about the downside, it has a limited mobile app functionality and occasional performance issue with a complexity for base user and cost consideration. So that's it. Let me know what you think about this platform in the comment section. Comment down below. Thank you.